Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by going straight to the evidence. Open the server error log and find the exact timestamp and stack trace for the failing request. Once done, verify environment variables and configuration files are correct for this deployment because mismatches cause many 500s. Then reproduce the error locally or against the server with curl or postman so you can see headers and body. This gives you the first actionable data points to trace the failure back to code, dependency, or config. Now isolate whether the error comes from code, a library, or runtime. You should run the failing request in a debugger, set breakpoints around the stack trace, and step through to observe nulls, exceptions, or failed assertions. Next, roll back the most recent deploy or toggle feature flags to see if behavior changes, which quickly narrows the cause. Also validate dependency versions and run integrity checks like npm-sci or pip check, so you rule out corrupted or incompatible packages. Apply the smallest safe fix that addresses the root cause, add validation, handle the exception, or pin a dependency, and write or update tests that capture the scenario so it doesn't regress. Once tests pass, deploy to staging and run smoke tests against the exact endpoint. If the error persists after deployment, enable verbose logging for that request path and reproduce with representative test data so you capture full context. That additional trace is the key troubleshooting tip to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.